Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the workplace, impacting work-life balance in both positive and negative ways. Here's how AI influences this dynamic. Positive impacts on work-life balance. 1. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI handles mundane and repetitive work, allowing employees to focus on creative and strategic tasks. Example: chatbots manage customer service queries, freeing up human agents for complex issues. 2. Flexible work arrangements. AI-powered scheduling tools optimize work shifts, reducing stress and ensuring better work-life balance. Remote work is enhanced with AI-driven productivity and collaboration tools. 3. Improved productivity and efficiency. AI streamlines workflows, reducing long working hours and workplace burnout. Example: AI-driven data analysis speeds up decision-making, minimizing unnecessary meetings. 4. Mental health and well-being support. AI-based apps offer stress management, meditation, and mental health support. AI-powered wearables monitor stress levels and suggest breaks. 5. Personalized learning and career growth. AI helps employees upskill through personalized learning recommendations, promoting career growth without overworking. Negative impacts on work-life balance. 1. Blurred boundaries between work and life. AI-driven connectivity makes it harder to disconnect from work, increasing the risk of burnout. Example: AI notifications and emails create an always-on work culture. 2. Job insecurity and stress. Automation threatens some jobs, leading to anxiety and an increased workload for employees trying to stay relevant. 3. Over-reliance on AI. AI can lead to micromanagement and excessive monitoring, increasing workplace stress. Example: AI-driven performance tracking may lead to unrealistic productivity expectations. How to leverage AI for a healthy work-life balance. Use AI for smart time management. Tools like AI calendars and task managers can help balance work and personal time. Set boundaries with AI. Configure AI-driven notifications to limit work-related interruptions outside office hours. Emphasize human-AI collaboration. Let AI assist rather than replace human decision-making for a balanced workflow. Invest in AI-driven well-being programs. Companies should use AI to support employee wellness instead of just increasing productivity. Investing in AI-driven well-being programs can help organizations enhance employee health, reduce burnout, and improve work-life balance. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Identify employee needs. Conduct surveys or use AI-driven sentiment analysis tools to understand employee stress points and well-being needs. Focus on areas like mental health, physical fitness, workload management, and engagement. 2. Choose the right AI well-being tools. Mental health support. AI-powered chatbots like Woebot or Wysa provide mental health coaching. Workload optimization. AI-driven scheduling tools like Clockwise optimize calendars to prevent overwork. Physical health and wellness. Wearables Fitbit, Apple Watch track stress levels and encourage breaks. Engagement and productivity. AI tools like Microsoft Viva monitor well-being and suggest work-life balance improvements. 3. Integrate AI well-being solutions into company culture. Ensure leadership support to promote AI-driven wellness programs. Offer AI-powered wellness apps as part of employee benefits. Encourage regular breaks, healthy work habits, and self-care with AI-driven reminders. 4. Monitor and improve AI well-being initiatives. Use AI analytics to track employee engagement with wellness tools. Adjust policies based on AI-driven insights, e.g., reducing meeting fatigue with smarter scheduling. Provide training to help employees use AI well-being tools effectively. 5. Balance AI with a human touch. AI should complement, not replace, human support systems like employee assistance programs, EAPs. Encourage managers to combine AI insights with personal check-ins to ensure genuine employee well-being. Balancing AI with a human touch is essential to ensure technology enhances, rather than replaces, human connections and well-being. Here's how organizations can achieve this balance. 1. Use AI as a support, not a replacement. AI can automate repetitive tasks, but human judgment and empathy are irreplaceable. Example: AI chatbots can handle initial mental health inquiries, but employees should have access to human therapists for deeper support. 2. Encourage human oversight in AI-driven decisions. AI should assist in decision-making, not make final calls on critical HR, hiring, or performance reviews. Example: AI can analyze employee well-being trends, but HR professionals should interpret and act on the insights with empathy. 3. Personalize AI interactions. AI should adapt to individual preferences rather than offering one-size-fits-all solutions. Example: AI wellness apps should allow employees to customize alerts for breaks, mindfulness, or fitness based on their personal needs. 4. Promote human-to-human connections. Use AI to free up time for meaningful human interactions. Example: AI-driven scheduling can reduce meeting overload, allowing employees to have more valuable one-on-one discussions. 5. Maintain transparency and ethical use of AI. Employees should know how AI is used, what data it collects, and how decisions are made. Example: if AI monitors employee productivity, it should be used to offer support rather than micromanagement. 6. Combine AI with empathetic leadership. Train managers to use AI insights as a tool for engagement rather than as a strict metric for performance evaluation. Example: if AI detects signs of burnout, e.g., excessive overtime, managers should proactively check in and offer flexible work options.